morning. Muli ang isikot is Horizon Chaser. Happy morning! Happy morning! Muli ang lingkod, Miss Horizon Chaser. Narito. Happy morning! Muli ang lingkod, Miss Horizon Chaser. Alright, so para sa karagdagang mga balita na makabuluhan at makatotohanan dito sa Happy Morning Show, narito ang bagong inilunsad ng DOST-PTRI. Ano itong napakalawak na ektarya ng lupa para sa self-production o isang tela ng silk? Kaya alamin natin ang buong detalye at kung sino-sino pa ang mga nasa likod dito.
Production and expansion, silkworm germplasm conservation, and silk cocoon production. Around 2005, the area was reduced to 8 hectares and the lot was under various lease agreements until 2025. In the last 6 years, the DOST-PTRI's Seda Pilipinas program has led the efforts to revitalize Philippine silk. Through this program, targeted investments supported the structural transformation and technical capacity building of what was once the Misamis Oriental Technology Center, now emerging as the Silk Research and Innovation Center. Today, the center stands as the focal site of silk research and innovation in the country. It houses the largest silk layer, silkworm germplasm, supported by 4.5-hectare mulberry plantation. It is equipped with an integrated silk processing line that can produce up to 2 tons of raw silk annually and generate twisted silk yarns to meet the demands of the Philippine Tropical Fabric PTF law. The center is more than just a facility. It is the forefront of a self-reliant, sustainable, and culturally rooted Philippine silk industry, designed for replication across the country. Over the next 10 to 15 years, Seda Pilipinas envisions the establishment of similar silk innovation centers in the Cordillera, Central and Southern Luzon, Western Visayas, Eastern, Western, and Southern Mindanao, and BARM. Each center will be equipped with the capability to integrate and close the value chain gaps within its respective regional silk production ecosystems. The DOST-PTRI acknowledges the realization of the 100% Philippine silk reliance is only possible through deliberate collaboration among stakeholders in both the public and private sectors. The program's continued engagement in forging strategic partnerships with institutions such as the National Housing Authority, key academic partners, and national agencies serves as a significant enabler in advancing the vision of Philippine self-reliance in 2035 and beyond.
And from each party, of course, we recognize party. We have representing the General Manager of Jovian Time, we have Mr. Alvin S. Deliciaga, Assistant General. Of course, from DOST-PTRI, headed by Dr. Julius Aliano Jr. We have Engineer Efrain H. De Gracia, Senior Science Research Specialist. We also have Ms. Cheryl Taylor, Supervising Science Research Specialist. And of course, from DOST, we have Assistant Secretary Maria Teresa Guzman. And of course, we are honored and I will be your host for today's event. So again, just to give you an overview, this use of front agreement between NHA and DOST-PTRI is for the use of the 80,000 square meter portion free of charge for the use of the land. This is allocated in Anda Moswa project, Barangay Imelda, Villanueva, Misamis Oriental. And of course, the NHA has granted DOST-PTRI the use of PROP, or the right to use and enjoy the property, for a period of 25 years. So starting from January 1, 2026, up to the next 25 years, which is until 2050. This agreement aims to solidify the partnership between USCPDRI and MHA in ensuring that the research, development, and the technical services for the Philippine silk industry is continued for the next 25 years or so. Now, to formally begin today's ceremonial signing event, let us hear the project overview and the open specialist of the Research and Development Division.
The silk as a research and development of the USCPDR has been with us, has been with the Institute for the last, more than 40 years, nearly 50 years. And in between those years were challenges, were years of challenge. And but only the last 6 years that there was Misamis Oriental. And so you see there Kalinga, Negros, and Misamis Oriental in the next 2 years, because there are support and there's so much belief and trust for USCPDR in terms of putting fund and support for the Senate Pilipinas program. This is a drone shot of the Misamis Oriental Technology Center. Mayor Nancy, a former Senator Nancy Ginay, was there, and Ma'am Matet, if you remember, visited there. I'm not sure if I could be able, but we went to that reading house too, Ma'am Matet, yes. And also before and after. So, but this one is quite, ito yung mga facility natin doon, ang mga structure. And so, the Technology Center of Misamis Oriental is now the Silk Research and Innovation Center. But to give a little illustration, because this is the central point of our discussion this afternoon, and even the use of PROP signing, this is a total of 80,000 square meters, so it's 8 hectares. Because the near 5 hectares was returned to NHA in 2007. Of course, there was a discussion before na kailangan siyang ibalik. So, right now, and to this day, we are keeping that 8 hectares. And in fact, siya yung napaloob sa ating sobrang 8 hectares. Pwede ba? So, if you can see, Ma'am Nancy, mayroon pa po 40. May 40 pa doon. May wala pa siya 100 pa siya. And why is this very important to Senate Pilipinas program? Why is this location very important and strategic? It is because it is the only Silk Innovation Center, Silk Research and Innovation Center in the country. And as the lone Innovation and Research Center, it houses the largest silkworm germ plaza. So when we say germ plaza, these are all silkworm strains that are not local, that are not endemic. We were able to collect it over a register sa NACOA. Ang mga strain na yan, kinakount namin yan every year. Kung ilan ba ang buhay at ilan ang namatay, ng mga strains na yan. And with this kind of silkworms, year in and year out, we do the best effort to keep that become a national government asset. And so, with this one, they are able to support the hybrids, yung hybrids lang nila, hindi yung mga strains, kasi na mga parents nila, mother and father, the hybrids are able to support about 500 breeding cycles a year. What is that? How do we imagine that? Meaning there are about 100 farmers growing silkworms at least 8 to 10 times a year, and that's one growing is a 1 breeding cycle. So that is the capacity of that center there we have in Misamis Oriental. And that capacity, or this capacity of that center, means it is able to duplicate itself to other regions because ito lang ang meron tayo. Duplicate meaning we are able to deploy some of our commercial lines so that these eggs, kasi minsan may mga requests from as far as ang buwang, sabihin nila, travel na ito na yan. To have, also have a portion, maybe 1 or 2 of our commercial na hindi yung talagang strain na naka-lodge namin sa PUA rendered, but they're commercial commercial strains, and then pwede go silang gawin para they can already have that eggs in mind. And the first in the country to have the silk reeling as well as silk throwing, so the first production value chain. So you see you see it there, there's a mulberry up to rearing, And this is our goal of what the center will be. That's why it's very strategic for us. And I am 22 years as old as the use of rock, right? The intention is to pursue with the SEDA Filipinas program of the DOST PTRI, the Misamis Oriental location as the focal site of all these activities, whether it's research, development,
the USIFRAG agreement. This is between the National Housing Authority and the DOST Philippine Textile Research Institute. This is for the use of the 80,000 square meter portion free of charge for the use of the DOST PTRI Technology Center in Misamis Oriental, or the Silk Research and Innovation Center. This is located at Lot 1834B, located at Andamuswag Project, Barangay Imelda, Villanueva, Misamis Oriental. 2026 with an option for renewal. So this again could be continued for the next 25 years. So for the use of rock agreement signing. Again, this agreement aims to solidify the partnership of DOST PTRI and NHA in ensuring that the research, development, and the technical services for the Philippine silk industry is continued. So, palakpakan naman po natin ating
Tayo ba?
sige po, yes. Stand up. Okay? Smile. So, may we also invite the SILT team to please come forward. There you have it, folks. Thank you very much to NHA, DOST PTRI, and of course, Mayor Nancy Binay for the continued support. Now, at this point, we'd like
Ang pagtitipon natin ngayon ay isang patuloy na dagdag na tagumpay sa sektor ng Philippine silk industry. Maraming salamat sa ating former Senator and now Makati City Mayor Nancy Binay sa pagiging tulay para matupad ang use of agreement na ito na magiging kasintanda ng new charter ng NHA. Kasi binigyan kami ng 25 years kasabay nung
Tandaan nyo.
kaya sabihin ko sa katabi mo, congratulations. Manager Joven Tay, layo ng aming ahensya maging instrumento ito sa iba pang paraan para sa magandang kinabukasan ng mga Pilipino. Bukod pa sa aspeto ng pagbibigay ng legalidad at kapagkayang pabahay para sa isang magandang buhay. It is not hidden fact that the Philippines is rich in culture, natural resources, and innovations. Patunay lamang ito dahil ang DOST PTRI sa Villanueva, Misamis Oriental ay nagsagawa ng kauna-unang Silk Innovation Hub. Congratulations. Makikita nito ang machinery na kayang makagawa ng cone silk yarn mula sa cocoon sa crochet. Some resources, silk cocoon production, processing, and services para sa benepisyo ng Philippine silk industry stakeholders. Kaya para may sakatuparan panglalo ang bagong Pilipinas, narito tayo ngayon dahil sa patuloy na pakikipag-ugnayan ng NHA at DOST para patibayan panlalo ang PTRI's Philippine Silk Program. Itong lease agreement ay magsisilbi ng 25 years para mas maging makabulang panglalo ang textile research and development ng DOST. May halimbawa rin ang partnership nito sa isang tela. Ang bawat hibla ay importante para magkaroon ng isang magandang tela. At sa bawat hakbang para papayaman ang ating research, advancement, innovations, naririto ang NHA para laging sumuporta. Muli, Maraming salamat at sabay-sabay tayong kumilos para sa bagong buhay at bagong Pilipinas. Tunay nga walang forever na mahirap sa taong nagsusumikap. Good night po.
Program na sana yung kami mag-present. So, former Senator Nancy Lina is now the City Mayor of Makati, the Honorable Nancy Lina.
Thank you, Dr. Julius, AGM Alvin Feliciano, Acting Department Manager Ms. Nelisa Subido. Umalis na si Asek. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Una sa lahat, nais ko pong magpasalamat sa buong PTRI sa pagkakataon na maging bahagi ng inyong programa ngayong hapon. In fact, kanina si Asek nga, sinabihan ako na lagi daw ako at sana wag kayo magsawa na imbitahan ako dito. But levity aside, it is always good to see familiar and be among fellow advocates of Philippine textile. Today, we witnessed the ceremonial signing of the Deed of Usufruct Agreement between PTRI and NHA. Under this agreement, our friends from the National Housing Authority is granting PTRI rights to the 8-hectare lot in Villanueva, Misamis Oriental for 25 years with an option to renew for 25 years. Lubos po ako nagpapasalamat, pakisali na lang po kay GM Nobel. Dahil pinagbigyan po niya ang request natin, kasama po ang PTRI. In fact, isa ho ito dun sa parang huling habilin ko bago ko ako magtapos bilang isang senador. Masyado ata naging galante ang NHA. Kasi nagbabayad naman sila ng rent, para ngayon hindi nyo na sila sisingilin. Pero may pa pala. So maghahanap po ako ng fellow senators ko dahil may natitira pa palang 40,000 ng property na baka pwede rin lambingin sa NHA. So itong property has been occupied by PTRI since 1978. So I am glad that just as a weaver must adjust their technique to accommodate the nuances of a specific fabric, both PTRI and the NHA has shown willingness to adapt and adjust their approach as circumstances change. Napakalaking bagay ng Usufruct Agreement dahil sa tulong na ito, magkakaroon na ng kalayaan ang PTRI para ma-maximize at magamit ng lubusan ang lupang kanilang inuupahan. Hindi na pala libre na siya. I have witnessed how PTRI transformed our rundown facility I had visited some years back. I think this was in 2017. 2017 into a thriving silk production hub. Sayang, hindi ko napakita yung pictures ko nung bumisita ko dito sa Villanueva na para kayong Twilight Zone. Kasi yung facilities na talagang noong 1970s pa yung itsura, yung freezer, yung ref nila, lumang ref pa siya. Ano ba yung ref nila?
Wala na.
Piece yun
Grabe nung
So when I was a senator, we all worked together to address the various issues that haunt the Philippine textile industry, especially itong silk production. Kaya masaya ako dahil sa araw na ito, matitikman na natin ang isa sa mga buhay ng ating mga pinaghirapan. So today's partnership marks a significant step in strengthening intergovernmental collaboration to promote innovation and resource efficiency. At simula pa lamang ito, tulad ng pangako ko sa inyo, kahit hindi na po ako senador, makakaasa pa rin kayo na buo ang aking suporta para sa patuloy na pag-unlad ng Philippine textiles. Kaya excited na po ako na makipagtulungan sa inyo, hindi bilang senador, ngunit bilang punong lungsod ng aming minamahal na lungsod ng Makati. In fact, ang next project natin ay ang uniform ng aking mga empleyado. I'm confident that together, all of us will be able to identify potential areas for collaboration and go beyond what is expected of us in advancing the development of the Philippine textile industry. Muli, maraming salamat po. And parang parang it's a full circle because this was the first advocacy na talagang tinutukan ko po while I was in a senator. And then finally, ito yung a good way to end it. Kaya muli, maraming salamat.
Bibilhin namin yung lupa ng NHA. Ganong level. So, hindi pumasok yung use of funds sa discussion. So, pinatawag kami because I think hindi ko na natin naalala ng Ching, no? Because we were already also busy. Sabi niya, di ba, yung lupa niyo sa Misamis. So, I was the one to call Ching. Sabi, Ching, anong problema doon sa lupa? Wala pa ba tayong action? Senators asking. Anyway, to cut the long story short, napapunta kami sa Senate. We met with the GM. And hinandigan pa kasi doon kasi ang tingin ko ang focus nun where it was your charter. And then yung pala, ang problema lang nitong agency na ito ay use of wrong agreement lang pala. So anyway, he was the one who volunteered the use of wrong agreement. We're actually very happy. And doon nga rin mapuprove na we might be looking for solutions, but the only solution is just to get together and sit down. And I think that was not possible without, of course, the help of Senator Nancy. Thank you very much, good ma'am. This will definitely update our, well, at least my career in government. Kasi retired na ako by the 25th year. Like also you. So, yung mga mas bata, bahali na sila kung paano ito tuloy yung 25 years. But bottom line is we are also committing the next generation of researchers and innovators in TRI to an agreement that was founded basically at goodwill and friendship and our shared and mutual dedication to the industry. Sabi sa graduation ng UP kahapon, ano naman daw taga UP? A very bold statement. Ganon din yung tanong ko, ano naman kung may lupang NHA? Diba? Kung madami, ano naman ngayon? Well, I think it's also a question that we normally ask ourselves, even in the institute. It doesn't matter how much we have. It's what we do, we don't have. So if it remains to be just there, lang yan. Magbibilang lang tayo ng hektaryo. But when we get into more productive, it becomes part of your productive journey, then I think all the more. Ngayon po, ang SILC hindi lang siya about SEDA, it's not just about a technology being rolled out or a center that is coming before, but it's actually about lives, of stories of women, of their families. Emotional lang sa pagyan sa partner. It's about women, children, their families, their struggles. Yung iba nga, itutulungan nandun sila sa relocation area, di ba, sa Cavite. So you would see how the Sericulture Research and Innovation Center in Misamis Oriental has become the only innovation center of PTRI outside of the Bicutan campus. So we have entrusted it to Misamis Oriental because we know that we could actually manage our SILC program from there. And now, Ching, having been promoted as supervising, has to move now from Misamis to here because hanggang Kalilya po ay kanyang sakop. So I was telling her, baka hindi mapamove ng pamove, depende po kung saan kayo makakahanap ng kanyang makapangasawa. So baka yung kanyang air ay nasa Kalilya mong dinatin ka na. Pupunta naman kami sa lahat po sa LCAC area. Naghahanap kami, baka may sundalo, sige na. Kasi meron kaming silkworm na walang kabrinil. Yung rare ng silver namin. But anyway, kidding aside, it's a happy thing actually, especially of course you see this so on the ground how people have continued to persevere. And nakakatuwa kasi yung support ako na ramdam namin. The event this morning was also as nice as of course the event this afternoon. And napapakita po na the support is there. Sabi nga kanina, we saw when this resurgence of interest on Philippine textiles will ever come again. But I think the government, our supporters, our connection sa atin has gone beyond just advocacies. It has become part of our lifestyles. And by lifestyle, ibig sabihin, passion, it's about walking the talk and putting it, wearing it on your sleeves. And happy po ang PTRI because of your visit, and we hope we could also reciprocate it. Huwag niyo po kakalimutan na anything that we do or could achieve with our SILC program, kabahagi po ito ng NHA. Hindi lang po dahil sa lupa, kundi dahil po alam namin that beyond the land, we also share that with us. Pag may natira po, baka pwede na rin pong ibigay na housing. Okay na yun. Pero okay na, masaya na tayo. Hindi na kami mamamanage yun. Maraming masyadong mulberry itatanim doon. But needless to say, it's a very nice place to be at, diba? So yung dati po ma'am na meron kami nilagay na deep well dun sa program namin sa SIL, itutuloy na po yung deep well, pero hindi papalitan po namin. Kailangan po namin hindi po deep well. Very deep well. Kasi wala yung water table niya. But I mean, very deep well. Diba? Ganun talaga. Yung malkonti na lang nasa Mantel ka na. Pero, ang sabi ko is push lang. Kasi ang Misamis Oriental, we've gone all the way to Bukidnon, we've gone all the way to Caraga, and ito, may interest din ng Zamboanga, Sibugay. So, even our island, kung pwede nga lang Makati, sabi ko nga kay Mayor kanina, kuha niya na natin yung cemetery ng Pamila na nasa Makati. Yes, lang. But anyway, maraming options, very very nice conversation inside kanina. So, hindi ko sasabihin yung iba kasi maka-pick up, out of context ako. Pero maraming shared advocacy with the neighbors of Makati, including the city of Taguig. So maybe that's, PTRI will always be there, ma'am. If you need a space for weavers, we are just here. We're in Taguig, don't worry, malayo naman. Donate yung PTRI sa Makati. But all the other men and women who might not be able to come and show and express their appreciation to these gestures that we are doing here. On their behalf, we'd like to thank the National Housing Authority and of course Senator Nancy for pushing and championing not just agriculture but their lives, their realities, and their future.
Mother ng self. Mami,